Okay, so the trip to Hollywood Boulevard, it's a little crazy. A guy just approached me and told me he was gonna knock me out. There are too many crazy people here. There's another one following me right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Khiz and Eesa. This is a quick short video of Hollywood's Walk of Fame. This was really meant to be a nice walk along looking at the stars, some famous names, but it very quickly turned a little sideways. This is a cautionary video for anyone going there. Make sure you do your research, especially if you're going there with your family and kids. Let's take a look. Quick look at the Hollywood Boulevard on a Sunday. Tony Curtis. You got Kermit the Frog, Dwayne Johnson, and Sean Diddy Combs right next to each other. Not to mention Jackie Chan. The Rock is pretty famous. The second famous one where everybody's stopping is the Donald Trump star. Alright, that's Jimmy Kimmel Live. Paul Rudd. So there's a lot of people here that are not friendly. So even as I was walking, making a video of the floor, Spike Jones, this guy approached me and he asked me to stop following him, and I just walked away. Then he approached me later on, about a block away, right about there, and he said he was gonna knock me out. So I changed street and I'm walking the other direction, keep looking back to see if he's behind me. That is the Dolby Theater over there. Jay Leno, Ozzy Osbourne, Arsenio Hall, Marilyn Monroe, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Janis Joplin, Adam Levine, America. Alright, here's the verdict. If you're looking to have a nice time walking around looking at the stars, there's quite a few security folks out there. There's quite a few crazies. I now experienced it myself. Again, I thought it was a Sunday, so it was going to be nice and quiet. I can come out, walk around, see some of my stars, but the place is full of people who will interact with you in a very rude way, or will threaten you, like the guy who threatened me to punch me if I stop following him, even though I was not following him. So that's my quick review of Hollywood. I think if you're with your family, I would probably advise against bringing your family and kids to this area. Boulevard. This is what it looks like, and there are the stars here.